DIY Natural Beauty, Unlock Radiant Skin with Homemade Skincare. Introduction, why DIY Beauty? Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of natural beauty. Have you ever wondered why so many people are switching to DIY skincare? The answer is simple: natural ingredients are gentle on the skin, free from harsh chemicals, and incredibly effective. Whether you have sensitive, oily, or dry skin, nature has a remedy for you. I personally discovered the power of DIY beauty when struggling with skincare issues. After switching to homemade masks and toners, my skin transformed, becoming healthier and more radiant. If you're ready to embrace natural beauty, let's dive into the best ingredients and recipes for glowing skin. Ingredient Spotlight: Essential ingredients for radiant skin. The secret to radiant skin lies in natural, nutrient-rich ingredients. Here are some must-haves for your DIY beauty routine. Honey, a natural humectant that locks in moisture and soothes irritation. Yogurt, packed with lactic acid, it gently exfoliates and brightens skin. Turmeric, an anti-inflammatory powerhouse that fights acne and brightens complexion. Avocado, rich in healthy fats and vitamins, perfect for deep hydration. Aloe vera, known for its healing properties, it soothes sunburn and hydrates skin. You can find these ingredients at local farmers markets, grocery stores, or even grow some at home. DIY face mask recipes for every skin type. Here are 3 simple yet effective face mask recipes tailored for different skin types. 1 hydrating mask for dry skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons mashed avocado, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Instructions: mix all ingredients, apply to your face, and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water for soft, supple skin. 2 oil control mask for oily skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Instructions: blend ingredients into a smooth paste, apply evenly, and let sit for 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water for a refreshed look. 3 balancing mask for combination skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon cucumber juice. Instructions: apply the mixture evenly, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse. Enjoy a balanced and glowing complexion. Beyond face masks, DIY toners and scrubs. A great skincare routine doesn't end with face masks. Here's how you can make your own toner and scrub. Homemade toner, refreshing green tea toner. Ingredients: 1/2 cup brewed green tea, cooled, 1 tablespoon rose water. Instructions: mix the ingredients, store in a spray bottle, and use daily for a soothing and refreshing effect. DIY exfoliating scrub, coffee and sugar scrub. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Instructions: mix into a paste, massage onto the skin in circular motions, and rinse. This scrub removes dead skin cells and boosts circulation for a glowing complexion. Tips and tricks for success. Patch test first: always test new ingredients on a small area to check for allergies. Storage matters: store homemade products in airtight containers and refrigerate for freshness. Consistency is key: regular use of natural skincare yields the best results. Conclusion: DIY natural beauty is a game changer for healthier, glowing skin. With simple, effective, and natural ingredients, you can take control of your skincare routine. Give these recipes a try and let us know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love natural beauty. Stay radiant and see you in the next video.